Hello, welcome to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you how to use these really cute egg molds. They're originally from Japan. They're really easy to use and they're a really fun way to make your children's lunchbox or picnic just a little bit more fun. Now, I keep wobbling the camera there, not good is it? Oh, wobble. Now, I've done this video before and what I found was, although I wasn't wobbling, the camera wouldn't focus on the egg I was peeling, so I had to do it again. What I have here is a hard-boiled egg. I put it in cold water and cooked it from cold water to about for 12 minutes. And basically you'll need any sort of egg, but the larger the better. I tried it, these are lots of different eggs, aren't they? Different sizes. Basically I tried it with a medium egg. The medium egg was a little bit too small. It fit in the box really easily, but it then didn't pick up on the shape, if that makes sense. So you do have to experiment. I would say large eggs are better, but you know, have a go. You know, if the first time it doesn't work, do not be dismayed. Just try it again with another egg. And also, large eggs, what we call a large egg might be a medium egg for you, and what we call a small egg might be, you know, it just all varies country to country. So really, you do have to give this a try and just experiment. So carefully peel your egg. This one's really hot, ouch. That's fine though, but you want it to be warm or hot. I literally just took this out of the pot. I should have maybe let it cool down a little bit for the video. So peel it as neatly as you can without burning your little fingers. There we go. Now, there we go. That's a nicely peeled egg. Now you're going to take this and you're going to push it into the mould. Now you'll see that it won't quite fit, but that's okay. You want it to be bigger than the mould, otherwise it really won't take the shape. So I've squished it in a little bit like that, and now all you need to do is close it and literally squish it down, and you will see that some of the egg will come out the sides. Oh, this one did quite a lot. Come out the sides like that. Not a problem. In fact, it is good. You want it to squish out the sides because it means that your egg will take on the full mould. Now, traditionally, you would now put this into an ice bath and leave it for about 10 minutes. But to be honest, ice bath, bit of a faff. I just put it in the fridge, leave it there for half an hour, and then actually I'll come back in this video and show you what it looks like. So put it in the fridge for half an hour, or if you're really desperate, put it in the freezer just so that it can cool down a bit quicker. And yes, that's how you use these moulds. Remember, the bigger the egg, the better, or just experiment with the eggs you've got. Right, off to go and put this in the fridge. Bye! Right, so this has been in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Let's see, did it work? Carefully. Wow, there we go, little fishy. Now you can see the squish bits around the outside. That's okay, like I said, that's normal. And then you can either just pull it off or just quickly sort of gently cut it off with a knife. But to be honest, it pulls off quite easily as well. So if you get that. There we go. So let's have a look at how little, let's cut this little bit out here. And there you have your very own little fish to go into your bento box or lunchbox at school. And there's the car, and that's how easy it is to use the egg molds. Anyway, hope to see you here on Red Ted Art again soon. Bye! Check out our cute monster bookmarks and subscribe today.